7 main areas of artificial intelligence you need to know. Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into the fascinating world of artificial intelligence. We're talking algorithms that learn, machines that think, and the future of, well, everything. It's a lot to cover, but we're breaking down AI into 7 key areas that are shaping the tech landscape as we speak. So whether you're a tech enthusiast or just curious about what's on the horizon, stick around because this is the future and it's closer than you think. Let's get started. Now let's go deeper, literally. Deep learning is a subset of machine learning that uses artificial neural networks, which are inspired by the structure of the human brain. Imagine these networks as layers of interconnected nodes, each processing information and passing it on to the next layer. The deep learning comes from having multiple hidden layers in these networks. This allows the AI to learn increasingly complex patterns and representations from the data. One of the areas where deep learning shines is image recognition. Remember those cat pictures? Deep learning algorithms can analyze those images at a granular level, identifying edges, shapes, and eventually recognizing the entire object as a cat. But it's not just about images. Deep learning is also revolutionizing natural language processing, which we'll dive into later. Think of things like language translation, chatbots, and even generating human-like text. And then there's the world of generative adversarial networks, or GANs. This is where things get really interesting. GANs consist of 2 neural networks, a generator and a discriminator, locked in a constant battle. The generator tries to create realistic data, like images or music, while the discriminator tries to tell the real data from the fake. This back and forth pushes both networks to improve, resulting in incredibly realistic synthetic data. It's like having 2 AI artists, one trying to fool the other and in the process, creating something truly remarkable. Chapter 4, Expert Systems, AI for Decision Support. Now let's talk about AI's potential to make us smarter decision makers. Expert systems are AI systems designed to mimic the decision-making abilities of human experts in specific domains. Think of it like having a specialized consultant at your fingertips 24/7. These systems typically consist of 3 main components: a knowledge base, an inference engine, and a user interface. The knowledge base is like the brain of the system, containing a vast amount of information and rules about a particular domain. The inference engine acts like the reasoning part, using the knowledge base to answer questions, solve problems, and make recommendations. And the user interface is how we interact with the system, asking questions and receiving answers. Expert systems have found applications in a wide range of industries. In healthcare, they can assist doctors in diagnosing diseases, recommending treatments, and even predicting patient outcomes. In finance, they can help financial analysts assess risks, make investment decisions, and detect fraudulent activities. One of the key benefits of expert systems is their ability to handle complex decision-making processes with speed and consistency. They can analyze vast amounts of data, consider multiple factors, and provide recommendations based on the knowledge they've been trained on.
We humans communicate through language, a complex system of words, grammar, and context. Natural language processing, or NLP, is all about teaching computers to understand and process human language, bridging the gap between humans and machines. One of the key applications of NLP is sentiment analysis. Think of analyzing social media posts, customer reviews, or online forums to understand the emotional tone behind the text. Is it positive, negative, or neutral? This is incredibly valuable for businesses to gauge public opinion, track brand sentiment, and even tailor their marketing campaigns. Then there's text summarization, which, as the name suggests, is about condensing large chunks of text into shorter, more digestible summaries. This is super useful for quickly grasping the key points of lengthy articles, documents, or even emails. And of course, we can't forget about chatbots. These AI-powered conversational agents are popping up everywhere these days, from customer service websites to messaging apps. Chatbots use NLP to understand your questions, provide relevant answers, and even mimic human-like conversation. But NLP goes beyond these applications. It's also powering machine translation, enabling us to communicate across language barriers more easily than ever before. It's helping us unlock the information locked within unstructured text data, like emails, social media posts, and even medical records.
We humans rely heavily on our sense of sight to understand the world around us. Computer vision aims to give computers that same ability to see and interpret visual information from the world. Think of it like teaching computers to see the world as we do, recognizing objects, understanding scenes, and even interpreting images and videos. And this has some incredible real-world applications. One of the most common applications is object detection, identifying and locating specific objects within an image or video. This is used in self-driving cars to detect pedestrians, traffic lights, and other vehicles. It's also used in security systems for facial recognition, object tracking, and anomaly detection. Then there's optical character recognition, or OCR, which enables computers to read and convert printed or handwritten text into digital text. Think of scanning documents, digitizing books, or even reading street signs. OCR is making information more accessible and searchable. Computer vision is also revolutionizing fields like healthcare, where it's used to analyze medical images, assist in surgeries, and even diagnose diseases. It's being used in manufacturing for quality control, defect detection, and even automating assembly lines.
As AI becomes more powerful and pervasive, it's crucial to address the ethical considerations and potential risks associated with this technology. It's not just about what AI can do, but also about how we develop, deploy, and use it responsibly. One of the key concerns is fairness and bias. AI systems are trained on data, and if that data reflects existing biases in society, the AI system can perpetuate and even amplify those biases. Imagine an AI system used in hiring that's been trained on data that shows a preference for male candidates. This could lead to unfair and discriminatory outcomes. Transparency is another crucial aspect. As AI systems become more complex, it's important to understand how they're making decisions. This is especially important in areas like healthcare, finance, and criminal justice, where AI-powered decisions can have significant consequences. Privacy is paramount. AI systems often rely on vast amounts of data, and it's crucial to ensure that this data is collected, stored, and used responsibly and ethically. We need to protect people's privacy and prevent the misuse of their data. And then there's the question of job displacement. As AI automates tasks previously performed by humans, it's important to address the potential impact on the workforce. We need to think about retraining programs, upskilling opportunities, and creating new job roles that leverage human skills and creativity.
That was a crash course on the 7 main areas of AI shaping our world. From self-learning algorithms to robots in the real world, AI is no longer a futuristic fantasy. It's here, and it's evolving faster than ever. As we venture further into the age of intelligent machines, understanding these key areas is not just about staying ahead of the curve, it's about shaping a future where technology empowers and benefits everyone. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech insights. See you in the next video.